Now question is, a body of mass 2 kg initially at rest moves under the action of an applied horizontal force of 7 Newton. So mass here we have, right, that is 2 kg. Initially it is at rest, so 0, under the action of an applied horizontal force, so F is equal to 7 Newton on a table with coefficient of friction, so mu is equal to 0.1, work done by the applied force in 10 seconds. So here A, work done by applied force, so WA is equal to force into displacement. Now we don't know the displacement, right? To find the displacement, see that equation is ut plus half at square. To find that, we have to find also A, acceleration. So acceleration for the both the forces, right? So first F is equal to ma. For applied force, acceleration is E is equal to 7 upon 2, so that will be 3.5. so that is applied force acceleration. But due to friction, F is equal to mu mg. So frictional force here also, ma is equal to mu into mg. So mm gets cancelled out, so E is equal to friction, that coefficient is 0.1 and g is 10, right? So here E is equal to 0.1 into 10 is 1. So here our acceleration is negative because of friction. So total A dash is equal to A plus A double dash. What is A? 3.5, right? And minus 1, so it will be 2.5. So that is our A dash, right? Now we have to put A dash in this equation. So S is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 into 2.5 into 10 square. So S is equal to here 1 by 2 into 2.5 into 100, right? So that will be 250, right? So 250 by 2, that is 125. So 125 meter is the distance. Now put this value as in this equation, this one, right? So then applied force 125. So here I am going to write that W is equal to force is applied force is 7 into 125, right? So whatever will be the answer, that is joule. Okay, now second question, that work done by friction force. So WF is equal to frictional force into displacement. So frictional force is minus 1.94 and displacement is 125, right? Whatever will be the answer, that is minus in joule. Then C, work done by the net force on the body in 10 seconds. Now see, net force, what is net force? F dash is net force, that is F minus F, right? So whatever we got F and F, small f is minus 1.94, right? And then we have to find W dash, which is F dash into S, right? And then D, change in kinetic energy of the body in 10 seconds and interpret your results. So change in kinetic energy is nothing but delta K is equal to half final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. See, initial is 0 because initially body was on rest, right? So we are left with only half mv square. Again, if you want to find V, again use this formula, V is equal to ut, V is equal to u plus half at, u plus at. U will be 0, so you are left with V is equal to a t. Here see, acceleration you need to take 2.5 and t is 10, so V is equal to 25 simply. So is equal to half m, mass is 2 into 25 square is 625, so 2 gets cancelled out. So kinetic energy is 625 joule, that is change in kinetic energy of the body in 10 seconds.